Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a scheduled task with AWS CloudWatch step by step clearly. To deploy a scheduled task with AWS CloudWatch, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudWatch service. In the CloudWatch dashboard, find the left-hand menu and click on Rules under the Events section. Click the Create Rule button. In the Event Source section, select Schedule. Choose cron expression or rate expression depending on your scheduling needs. If using a cron expression, enter your desired schedule format. If using a rate expression, specify how frequently the task should run. Next, move to the Targets section. Click on Add Target and select the type of service you want to trigger. Common options include AWS Lambda functions, EC2 instances, or other AWS services. If you select a Lambda function, choose the desired function from the drop-down menu. For EC2 instances, select the instance and specify any necessary parameters. After setting up your target, configure the Configure Input section if needed. This step allows you to pass specific input to your target. Scroll down to the Configure Details section. Provide a name and description for your rule. You can also set the state to enable to activate the rule immediately. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Create Rule button to save your settings. You have now successfully deployed a scheduled task with AWS CloudWatch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.